Have you ever stopped to ponder about the amount of refined oil you consume daily? It's a question that rarely crosses our minds, isn't it? Yet we're surrounded by its presence in our everyday meals. Refined oil, an omnipresent ingredient, often goes unnoticed in our diet, despite potentially posing significant health risks. The reality is, many of us remain oblivious to the implications of our oil consumption habits. Let's delve deeper into the world of refined oil and its effects on our bodies. To understand how refined oil affects our health, we need to venture into the cellular level. The journey begins with the refining process of oil. This process, you see, is not as simple as pressing olives or sunflower seeds. Refined oils such as canola, soybean or corn oil undergo a multi-step process that includes bleaching, deodorizing, and often the addition of synthetic antioxidants. This industrial process aims to remove impurities, improve shelf life, and give the oil a clear, appealing look. However, it's not without its drawbacks. During this refining process, the oil is exposed to high temperatures, and this exposure triggers a series of chemical reactions. One such reaction is the creation of free radicals. Now, these aren't your everyday radicals rallying for a cause. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules with unpaired electrons. They are unstable, and to stabilize themselves, they snatch electrons from other molecules in our body, causing a cascade of damage. This is where the plot thickens. When free radicals run rampant in our bodies, they can cause oxidative stress. This stress can damage our cells, proteins, and even our DNA. Over time, this cellular damage can lead to chronic inflammation, a silent yet potent precursor to a host of ailments. The story doesn't end there. Chronic inflammation has been linked to an array of diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Heart disease, for instance, can be triggered by the oxidation of low-density lipoprotein or LDL cholesterol, a process facilitated by free radicals. Similarly, free radicals can cause DNA mutations, a stepping stone to cancer. At this point, you might be thinking, but aren't free radicals a natural part of our body's processes? Yes, they are. However, the concern with refined oils is the excessive amount of free radicals they introduce into our system, tipping the delicate balance our bodies strive to maintain. While the damage is happening at a microscopic level, the effects are far from insignificant. The damage free radicals cause to our cells is not merely a one-time event. Indeed, it's an insidious process that unfolds over time. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and momentum as it goes. That's what happens when we continuously consume refined oils. Free radicals, those unstable atoms, start to accumulate in our bodies, wreaking havoc on our cells. As these free radicals continue to build up, they start to alter the very structure of our cells, leading to an array of long-term health issues. These could range from accelerated aging to more serious conditions like heart disease and cancer. The important thing to remember here is that we have a choice. We can decide what we put into our bodies, we can choose to nourish our cells with whole, unrefined foods, or we can continue to fuel the fire of free radicals with refined oils. The oil that's so seamlessly integrated into our meals holds a hidden danger that's slowly but surely affecting our health. Awareness is the first step towards making healthier choices. We must not keep this knowledge to ourselves. Instead, let's become heralds of health, sharing this information far and wide. Make it your mission to educate your loved ones about the hidden dangers lurking in refined oil. If you found this video informative, do subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions for future topics. Remember, your health is in your hands.